1. What is the primary purpose of OpenAI's Agents SDK? A. Data analysis. B. Image classification. C. Build and deploy AI agents that use tools. D. Run fine-tuned models. Answer. C. Explanation. The Agents SDK allows developers to create AI agents that can call tools, APIs, and perform multi-step reasoning. 2. Which model is typically used with the Agents SDK for tool usage? A. GPT 3.5 only. B. Codex. C. GPT-4 Turbo, GPT-4o or GPT-4-1106 Preview. D. Whisper. Answer. C. Explanation. GPT-4 Turbo models, like GPT-4o, are optimized for tool use and multi-turn reasoning. 3. What Python package must you install to use OpenAI's Agents SDK? A. OpenAI_agents. B. OpenAI. C. OpenAI_SDK. D. GPT tools. Answer. B. Explanation. The official OpenAI Python SDK, OpenAI, includes the features needed to build agents. 4. What is a tool in the context of the OpenAI Agents SDK? A. JavaScript module. B. A callable function the agent can use to perform actions. C. CLI command. D. Image file. Answer. B. Explanation. Tools are Python functions the agent can use, such as calling an API or performing a calculation. 5. What must a tool include to work with an agent? A. A GUI. B. A name, description, and parameter schema. C. HTML output. D. A database. Answer. B. Explanation. Tools must define their name, description, and input parameters in a structured format, like JSON schema or Pydantic. 6. How does an agent know when to call a tool? A. It always calls all tools. B. The model decides during reasoning based on context. C. Tools are manually triggered by the developer. D. They are random. Answer. B. Explanation. The model chooses to call tools based on the user input and the tool descriptions. What is required to enable tool usage in a chat completion call? A. Nothing, it's automatic. B. Include the tools and tool_choice parameters. C. Use toolkit equals true. D. Pass, use_tools, true in JSON. Answer. B. Explanation. The tools parameter defines available tools. Tool_choice can control how tools are selected. 8. What is the default behavior of an agent when a tool call is made? A. It stops. B. It auto-calls the tool and uses its output to continue reasoning. C. It ignores tools. D. It returns an error. Answer. B. Explanation. The model calls the tool and continues based on the tool's response. 9. Which of the following is a correct structure for defining a tool input schema? A. XML. B. YAML. C. JSON schema or Pydantic model. D. CSV. Answer. C. Explanation. Tool schemas define parameters using JSON schema or Pydantic for validation. 10. Which OpenAI model is multimodal and supports vision input for agents? A. GPT 3.5 Turbo. B. DaVinci. C. GPT-4o. D. Whisper. Answer. C. Explanation. GPT-4o supports image, audio, and text, making it suitable for multimodal agents. 11. What is the purpose of the tool call ID in an agent interaction? A. Track API usage. B. Identify a specific tool call in a multi-tool response. C. Save user credentials. D. Log model parameters. Answer. B. Explanation. Tool call ID uniquely identifies each tool call in a multi-call situation. 12. Can an agent call multiple tools in one response? A. No. B. Yes. C. Only on GPT 3.5. D. Only in CLI. Answer. B. Explanation. Agents can call multiple tools if required by the task, multi-step reasoning. 13. Which component stores the full conversation history in an agent? A. API key. B. Thread or message list. C. JSON file. D. Memory chip. Answer. B. Explanation. Conversations are stored in a list of messages, each with a role and content. 14. What is tool underscore choice equals auto used for? A. Disable tool calling. B. Let the model decide when to use tools. C. Manually select tools. D. Run tests. Answer. B. Explanation. Auto lets the model decide the best tool to use, if any. 15. What is one advantage of using agents over raw completions? A. Lower cost. B. Less control. C. Agents can call tools and reason interactively. D. Static responses. Answer. C. Explanation. Agents support multi-turn reasoning with tool use, improving automation and flexibility. 16. What is the purpose of the messages parameter in chat completion? A. Set temperature. B. Provide the conversation history. C. Define rate limits. D. Enable fine-tuning. Answer. B. Explanation. Messages is the chat history that guides the model's next response. 17. What is a required key in each message dictionary? A. Date. B. UUID. C. Role and content. D. Status. Answer. C. Explanation. Each message must have a role, user, system, assistant, and content. 18. Which OpenAI role can send messages and trigger tool calls? A. Tool. B. Assistant. C. System. D. Stream. Answer. B. Explanation. The assistant, the model, can decide to trigger tool calls during a conversation. 19. What is the benefit of defining tools with rich descriptions? A. Faster response time. B. Model stops calling tools. C. The model better understands when and how to use them. D. It reduces latency. Answer. C. Explanation. A good name and description guide the model in deciding which tool to use. 20. Which of the following best describes a tool's parameters field? A. List of data types. B. JSON schema defining inputs. C. HTML form. D. Markdown. Answer. B. Explanation. Parameters define the required and optional inputs for a tool using JSON schema format. 21. What type of data structure is typically used for messages in a chat completion request? A. String. B. List of dictionaries. C. Tuple. D. JSON string. Answer. B. Explanation. Each message must be a dictionary with at least role and content, and all messages are passed as a list. 22. Which role is not valid in OpenAI chat messages? A. System. B. User. C. Assistant manager. D. Assistant. Answer. C. Explanation. Valid roles are system, user, and assistant. 23. What is the tool underscore choice parameter used for in the agent's SDK? A. To define output file type. B. To control whether and how tools are invoked. C. To switch between GPT-3 and GPT-4. D. To change agent personality. Answer. B. Explanation. Tool underscore choice controls whether the agent auto calls a tool or you specify one manually. 24. What are OpenAI tools in the context of agents? A. IDE plugins. B. Data visualization charts. C. Functions or APIs the agent can call during reasoning. D. HTML templates. Answer. C. Explanation. Tools or functions the agent can call, like get underscore weather, search underscore web, etc. 25. Which decorator is used to register a function as a tool? A. At toolkit. B. At agent.toolkit. C. At tool. D. At register. Answer. C. Explanation. The at tool decorator from OpenAI tools is used to define a callable tool. Like and subscribe for more AI and tech related videos.